Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong June 1 to 15, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see. Libra, energy update June 1 to 15, 2024. What's coming to you? Ten of Cups. Oh, this is happiness, fulfillment. This is fortune after difficulty kasi rainbow after the rain yan. Ayan. So, iba sa inyo, nagkaroon ng challenges in the past at ngayong first half ng June, no, things are going to be okay. No? Magiging maayos ng lahat. Especially if it has something to do with your family life, home life. Ayan. So, things are going to be better. Let's see what else. You have the star. O, diba? Ang ganda. The star is about your hopes, your dreams. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong wishes na matutupad ngayong first half ng June. Maybe related sa mga plano ninyo, yung mga goals ninyo for your family, for your home life, yung family ninyo, no? This is also about healing. I'm seeing reconciliation din eh. Kung merong kang naka-away or nagka-issue ka with your loved ones, romantic partner, a family member. So ngayong first half ng June, maaayos. Oo. You have the 5 of Swords. So this is about competition. So maari ring merong mga tao na hindi sang-ayon sa mga nagiging decision mo. Let's say, nakipag-ayos ka sa isang tao, no? It can be a romantic partner, a friend, and then nalaman nyo ng isa sa mga nakakaalam ng situation ninyo. Maaring ito ay conflicted sa decision mo. Na tipong, bakit nakipag-ayos ka? Bakit hinayaan mo na? Bakit pinatawad mo na? Ganon. You have the Temperance card. So, I feel like, hindi mo na lang papansinin yung mga tao na will try to question your decisions. Kasi minsan, di ba, kapag kahit saan naman, kahit hindi naman sa relationship na romantic yan, kahit sa friendship kapag may nakaalitan tayo, may mga iba pang taong na-involve, nagkakaroon ng kampihan, no? Kaya nga mas maganda na wala kang pipiliin na na side, kasi kapag nagkaayos na sila, parang ikaw apektado ka pa rin. Tapos pwedeng ikaw yung magkaroon ng issue dun sa iba, no? So it's about you focusing on what you want to work on, ano yung gusto mong ayusin, anong gusto mong maging successful sa'yo ngayon. Yun yung magiging focus mo. You'll have more patience with yourself, with the people around you. So, let's see yung energy ng money, career, finances. You have the 6 of Cups. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong babalikan na dating trabaho, dating pinagkakakitaan. Or this can also mean na meron kayong ipupursue na pangarap nyo ng bata kayo. O, diba? Page of Cups. Yes. This is your dream, no? Yung dream na, let's say, you want to be a singer or a celebrity or, to share your knowledge and skills sa ibang tao, pero hindi mo na ipagpatuloy yun or hindi mo nagawa dahil merong mas practical na career or trabaho para sa'yo. So, yun muna inuna mo. But for some of you, ngayon, meron na kayong chance to make things happen for yourself, no? And you're going to be very successful in that with the 6 of Wands. So, kung ano man itong mga pangarap mo na gusto mong i-pursue ngayong first half ng June, this is going to be successful as long as you are driven, no? Talagang determinado ka. You're going to be consistent. Hindi ka magpapadistract sa mga taong pumipigil sa'yo na abutin yung pangarap mo. So, yung mga tao na ayaw nila nakikita na nagpupursige ang isang tao para sa pangarap nila. Kasi, parang gusto nilang magaya sa kanila, lalo na kung may mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo na parang wala nang balak sa buhay, walang pangarap sa buhay, na paunlarin yung sarili nila, 'di ba? So mas gusto nila na ganun din yung mga taong nakapaligid sa kanila. So for you, you will not let yourself be influenced by these people na gusto kang hilahin pababa. So for your love life, you have the Page of Wands, the Two of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo parang biglaan na papasok sa relationship, oh. Oo, ito yung tipong iniiwasan mo tapos biglang, oops, na-develop. Pwede kasing meron kayong pagsasamahan together na activity, and then this person, makikilala mo siya ng lubusan. And once nakilala mo na, dun mo na marirealize na, uy, gusto ko pala yung ugali niya, or mabait pala siya, kaibig-ibig pala siya. So you might get into a relationship with this person. Ito yung pwedeng iniiwasan mo before. Yung iba naman sa inyo, if you are in a relationship right now, posible na meron kang matuklasan sa person mo na hindi mo yan napapansin before. Tapos ngayon, marirealize mo na, uy, ito, ganito pala siya. Tapos, mapapaisip ka, if you still want to be with this person, o kung matatanggap mo yon, yung madidiscover mo about this person. Kasi nga, 'di ba, hindi naman right away kilala mo na agad yung person mo. You really have to spend more time with them. And even lifetime, no? Para makilala mo talaga. But it's a journey kasi pareho kayo nag-grow. You also transform, nag-change kayo over the years. So I think you just have to enjoy the connection. For as long as it lasts. Hanggat okay kayo, then you enjoy the connection with this person and get to know this person well. So kung meron ka mga plans this first half ng June, rest assured that you are divinely guided, no? May mga bagay na hindi natutuloy kasi hindi para sa'yo. May mga bagay na hindi dumarating kasi hindi pa time para sa'yo. So just go with the flow and always, ask for guidance kung saan ka best. Saan ka mas mapapabuti. You have fertility. So this is about productivity. So maaring magiging very busy ka this first half ng June. You will do some things like travel with your person. Some of you naman, pwedeng may pinagkakabisihan kang project. That you are manifesting na maging very successful. Sabi nga manifestation requires action. So if you are taking action about anything that you want to manifest, then it will happen. Okay? So just continue what you love doing. Kahit na merong mga taong magko-question sa iyong galing, sa iyong abilities, for as long as alam mo, kilala mo yung sarili mo sa mga kakayanan mo, then hindi mo sila kailangang paniwalaan. Ayan, you are focusing on where you are going, where you are headed. Some of you may long travel. Pwedeng from Luzon to Mindanao, Luzon to Visayas, and vice versa. Malayo. Unconditional love. Some of you, maaring you may meet your soulmate, or you are already connecting with a person na nare-realize mo na soulmate mo pala. Because marami kayong mga bagay na pinagkakasunduan. Like, you jive and you have this chemistry together. Very on point ang iyong instinct ngayon. This is going to help you in making decisions. Yung instinct, yung intuition ninyo. Some of you also have psychic abilities that will help you in your journey. May abundance. May harvest. Very productive kayo. So, yung productivity ninyo na yan, this will bring abundance in your life. So, kung productive ka sa iyong career, trabaho, business, then, ma-experience mo rin yung result niyan sa buhay mo. It is going to bring abundance, money, fortune. Take responsibility for your life as a creative adventure. Uy, parang meron kayong ipupursu na creative project. Ngayong first half ng June. So, ipursu mo lang daw yan because may maibibigay to sa yung meaning sa buhay mo. Mas magkakaroon ka ng drive or passion about life. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!